Okay, here's the 87 Toyota Hiace. No, it's the Town Ace wagon. It's actually it's an upper grade model with the a really versatile seat arrangement inside. It's very good. For example, right now I'm showing you with the full flat position. The seats fold full flat. Right now, but if you put it up, whoa, and put it up, and let me swivel this one, you can turn it into the other way. You can also face back on the middle seat. So it's got the swivel base and this one the full flat, but it's also, of course, you can lift up the seats like this, or maybe more. Lift up the seat like this, but also you can release the latches in the bottom and you can store the seat to the side. You can do this one at the same way. So it's really versatile seat arrangement. You can face it, a middle seat face each other to the back, or you can lift up the back seat so that you can carry the long one, or full flat. It's really a nice seat arrangement. It's an amazing package for little van. This one has not an automatic locking hub, but it's a manual locking hub. You gotta get out of the car and unlock it when you shift it into the 4x4, I think. Anyway, this is the 4x4. When you there's a glow plug. When the glow plug sign is off, you can just, and it's a quiet, really quiet engine. And then a turbo indicator is on that side. I don't know. Turbo indicator is on that side. When the turbo spools, it gets the green light, and then